Good morning students. Welcome you all to my accountancy class, and I'm going to continue my previous topic, that is adjustments in financial statements. Already in my previous video I have told you the treatment of some uh, adjustments, and now we are going to start with the sixth one, that is interest on capital. Interest on capital is an expense for business, and you know very well the PL account is related with or dealing with all the expenses and incomes. So because it is not a direct expense which is directly related with production, so that it will be shown in PL account on debit side, because as per the nominal account rule all expenses and losses are to be debited, and it will be added. The second effect of the adjustment, as you know very well now, that all the adjustment will have two effects. So one effect will be it is to be shown on the debit side of PL account, and other effect will be it is to be added in capital in balance sheet, right? Now the next adjustment is interest on drawing. The nature is just reverse. As in previous video I have told you that nature of outstanding and prepaid is just reverse of each other. Similarly, the nature of unearned income and accrued income is just reverse to each other. Same is here. Interest on drawings and interest on capital is just reverse to each other. It is an income for the business, because business will charge interest from the proprietor if he makes any drawing. So it is an income for business and credit all incomes and gains as per the nominal account rule, and in PL account so that it is to be shown on credit side. And the second effect will be it is to be added. Interest will be added in drawings in balance sheet. When we will add interest in drawings in balance sheet, and you know drawings are finally to be subtracted from the capital, so automatically this interest will also be subtracted from the capital. Clear? So these are two adjustments, interest on capital and interest on drawings. Already we have discussed about the outstanding expenses, prepaid expenses, depreciation, unearned income and accrued income. This was interest on capital and interest on drawings. Almost we have completed 50% of the adjustment till now. And all these were very simple. No doubt, simply at one place you have to plus or minus, and on the other place you have to show it either on the liability side of the balance sheet or asset side. As again and again I am telling you, all adjustments will have two effects. Once it is to be shown either in trading account or in balance sheet or in PL account, and the second effect will be 100% every time in balance sheet. You can see here balance sheet, PL, and outstanding wages for example shown, that is to be included in trading account.